story. He's been charged several times, accused of sexual offenses against children, but in every instance, a judge ruled he was not competent to stand trial, dismissing the case.
Yeah, it's a story we've been following for years now, with Jonathan Soberanis now facing several charges, including child sex abuse. ABC4's Courtney Johns live in studio tonight with more on what an evaluator is sharing with the judge today. Courtney.
Yeah, Glenn and Emily, the psychologist preparing this evaluation says this decision is based on two things. Does Jonathan Soberanis have a mental disorder? And does that disorder impact his ability to defend himself in court? According to court documents, Soberanis has been arrested on multiple occasions, accused of crawling under boys' dressing rooms, showing his genitals, and masturbating in front of children. Today's case stems from an incident where police say Soberanis touched a naked child at a rec center and then urinated on him. In a separate case, he's facing child pornography charges, with investigators saying he used multiple email accounts and suggested he was able to edit the pornography himself. Stephanie Davis says her son is one of Soberanis' many victims. She says evidence shows Soberanis is capable, but today a psychologist told the court he was not competent to stand trial. Davis says one of the most upsetting things in the psychologist's report is what Soberanis said when he was asked if he was worried about how much time he could spend in prison. That report states Soberanis said, "No, I don't think so. My mom tells me not to worry and says God has his plan."
It just is teaching him he can get away with hurting children in the most heinous way. And nobody in their lives loses sleep over the things that he's done. Nobody. Tell him he's going to be okay and then comfort him, but ignore what these things do to victims. Like, my son's still suffering.
The psychologist cites past reports from examiners who came to the same conclusion, some diagnosing him with autism, depressive disorder, ADHD, and fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. The latest report lists him as having an unspecified neurodevelopmental disorder, saying no one disorder appears to be responsible for all deficits. The report also revealed data showing Soberanis did significantly better on certain tests, but the examiner says that was not concerning, writing that this had to do with Soberanis' effort and that he's not faking his symptoms. An evidentiary hearing for Soberanis is scheduled for next month. Back to you.